do people post such fancy texts? Should I ask her? Will she tell me? Will he share with me his secret tools?
Like gloss, I'm a bitch, I'm a boss, I'm a bitch and I boss, and I shine like gloss, I'm a...
Andarki Namaskaram, this is Vichi Gulabu over here. So today, is it for free? Huh? I'm gonna teach you guys how to, put these fancy texts for free. Means that if you need to export it to 4K, you need to pay a small amount, which is around $249, and I think it is fine for a month. Or if you don't want to pay for it, doesn't matter. You can still use the app and export it to 1080 pixels. And also, if you don't want to use this app, also again, never mind. You can still use the text from Videoly. Okay, now no jibber jabber. Let's dive into the video.
Hey, so obviously you all would have downloaded Bant. So open Bant, and like on the left side, if you see, there are these three options. Load new videos, obviously importing your video from your photo album. And projects is nothing but if you have earlier on worked with Bant and like your work has been saved, then you can find your projects. Definitely advise you guys to save your projects before you export your video to your camera album from Bant, because sometimes our phone acts funnier. We get kicked out of the app, or all of a sudden we get a phone call or some accident happens, and then you don't want to lose your work, right? Usually it doesn't happen, but just to be on a safer side, I would ask you guys to save your projects and then export it to your camera album. So now I'm pressing the camera button. So you can either load new video, or you can use your projects if you want to work on. And restore previous state is nothing but if you have worked on earlier and if your app is still running behind, it'll restore your previous state. So now I'm giving load new video and I'm selecting this one. This red line is nothing but scrolling it across your timeline. So you want to add any text, you can place the red line. So I'm going to add over here right in the beginning. So you can just select anywhere, guys, like anywhere, and then move around your text. So I'm selecting add text and I'm giving glass skin. So you can align left, center, however you want. And now you can change your fonts. There are loads of options. Some are paid versions. So I'm giving rock salt, but I would always advise you to give legible font so that it's easy for others to read it. Maybe I will give a different font. Glass skin. And now I'm giving done. Obviously it's too big, so you can't resize it over here. What you have to do is you need to go to size and you need to resize it over here. And the moving is nothing but you can move it up, down, wherever you want. You can place the layout, and then tilting is again something like this. Okay. So if you want to give curve, you can give however you want to. If you want to delete it, there's a delete option as well. So the most interesting thing I like over here is the style. I go to style and you can select now any colors you want. You can change the color however you want. You can create patterns. Patterns is nothing but it gives you different colors in one word. Then you can select over here. You can create your own patterns. Like selecting the color, you can add and create your own patterns, right? Then okay, so and you can give apply, and there are strokes over here. Okay, so now I know this looks funny, but just showing you guys. So now what I'm going to do is, see, if you see, if you scroll your timeline, this glass skin is there in the entire video. So we don't want that, like I don't want it. So what I'm going to do, select the text and I'm going to bring it over here. Okay, so you can even change your seconds, start and end over here, like from where you want to start it, where you want to end it. You can even give it over here. So it's done. And then now I want my transition to be something nice. So you can either go for slide one or slide, zoom in, zoom out, anything. You can even give the rate, like the speed. Yeah, and then select done. You just want to see the preview of it. So just take your timeline just ahead of where you've added and then give play. See? Mine was really quick. Maybe I should reduce the seconds. Okay, so next I want to add another text. I'm adding baby skin, and you want to give, I'm selecting it till here. Okay, and I'm going now, again you can change your fonts however you want to. I'm giving this, and then I'm selecting the style now. So we are going to give a background. You can give this, and text you can change any color you want. I'm giving this, and then done. So that's it. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give a transition for it. We zoom in. And then so suppose you want to add another text to it. So again what I would do, select here, and I would give what to do, DIY. Okay, and then I don't want to give any background. I'm just giving this, and I'm giving a color to it. We'll probably give this. Yeah. Okay, so now if you see the line over here, it's too long till the end. We don't want that. So I'm selecting it over here. You're not sure, like you want your DIY and your baby skin words to come in your video, like at the right time, like the start and end should be the same, but you're not really sure because it's not very clear. So what I would do is you can select over here. So there are these three words, right? So now you can see the times over, like the seconds over here. So what I want is, I want baby skin and DIY to end with 7:45, like 7 seconds and 45. So what DIY is showing is 7.75. So we don't want that. We don't want to extend. I'm selecting DIY, and then I'm going down here and I'm pressing end, and I'm giving 45. So now see, they're like together. Like they align well. So that's done. And now I'm just going to play and see it. See? Good. And also in Bond, you can listen to your audio in your video, like you can listen to your audio. So you will know where to add text, which is another cool feature. So that's it, guys. I think it's super simple. It's really easy. All you need to do is just download this app. You have no limits in accessing the text. Just that few text has to be paid, but I wouldn't bother much to pay for it. So you can add any number of words to it, and yeah, done. So I'm just going to show you from the beginning. That's it. So now I'm going to show you how to export it. Yeah, so this is what I was talking about. If you want a free version and you don't want to pay for it, then you can select either 1920 into 1080 megapixels, or you can select 2560 by 1440 megapixels, right? If you want the free version, you can export in these two, but if you want it in like full resolution, like the quality should be the same as how you have filmed your video, then I would prefer you to select 4K. So 4K you need to pay, which is around, like I said, it's around 250 or 260 rupees. I'm so sorry, I forgot. So anyways, I'll show you guys how to do it. So just select, I'm selecting this and I'm giving export. Like always I said, before I export, I save the project. Yeah, so now it's been saved. Now I don't have to worry because if my phone is off or something when I'm exporting to the camera album, I wouldn't worry. So save video. Usually exporting takes a lot of time if it's a long video. That's why I will always advise you guys to save your project. So now it's been saved to the album. Now I'm going to go to the album and I'm going to check. See, it's there.
So it is so simple, isn't it? That's it. It's super easy again, guys. Please put your feedback in the comment section after using this app. If it has really helped you, please post comments so that I would know it is helping and I would be doing more of tutorials. And also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do share it, guys. I'm sure there are loads who want help. And subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And do not fail to press the bell icon, because once I post a new video, you will be the first to be notified. So until then, please be real, be kind, and be crazy. I love you guys, yeah?